how to buy Watchcoin token. So this token came under the symbol of watch. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. See, please goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And this token trends in number 11 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address, and I suggest you to open your funds wallet for that. After that, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this and click on I understand. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select the Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Watch token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.